Getting Started with the Web is a concise series that introduces you to the practicalities of web development. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up the necessary tools to construct a simple web page and publish your own code. Many beginners are overwhelmed by the idea of creating a professional website, so we encourage you to start small. We won't be building the next Facebook right away, but we'll show you how to create your own simple website online. Follow our step-by-step guides to go from nothing to getting your first web page online. Let's begin our journey. In this video, we'll cover the process of installing basic software for web development. With so many code editors, frameworks, and testing tools out there, it's easy to get confused when starting out. We'll walk you through the installation steps, ensuring you have the necessary software to start your web development journey. Before writing the code for your website, it's crucial to plan it first. We'll provide you with a simple method for organizing your site's content and design. Consider what information you want to showcase, the fonts and colors you'll use, and more. By planning ahead, you'll have a clear vision for your website's development. Building a website involves dealing with various files, including text content, code, style sheets, and media content. You'll learn how to set up a sensible file structure for your website, ensuring all the files are properly organized and interconnected. We'll address any issues you should be aware of in this process. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, is the code used to structure web content. In this video, we'll cover the basics of HTML, such as creating paragraphs, lists, inserting images, and creating data tables. We'll provide you with enough information to become familiar with HTML without overwhelming you. Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, is the code used to style your website. We'll guide you through the basics of CSS, including choosing text colors, positioning content on the screen, and selecting background images and colors. With this knowledge, you'll be able to give your website a personalized and appealing look. JavaScript is a powerful programming language that allows you to add interactive features to your website. We'll introduce you to the basics of JavaScript, including creating games, adding functionality to buttons and forms, implementing dynamic styling effects, and more. You'll be amazed at the possibilities this exciting language offers. Once you've finished writing and organizing your website's code, it's time to publish it online. We'll show you the easiest way to get your sample code online so that others can access and explore it. With minimal effort, you'll have your website up and running in no time. Do you ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you visit your favorite website? In this video, we'll demystify the inner workings of the web and explain the complex mechanics that occur when viewing a web page. Gain a deeper understanding of how the web functions on your computer.